Good morning to all of you. How are you? I think you all are fine. In today's class, we will start this unit 8, first poem, Nobody's Friend. Okay, that is given on page number 130 in your book. So, all of you, please open page number 130. This name of the poem is Nobody's Friend. Okay, so before going to this poem from the books, let me first tell you something in brief about this poem, Nobody's Friend. Okay, so Nobody's Friend, this poem teaches a great lesson to children, or we can say to us. It tells you about the concept of sharing. Okay, this poem tells us the concept of sharing, कि हमें शेयर करने से क्या सब फायदे होते हैं. ओके, और द पोएम विल हेल्प किड्स हाउ to understand or to know the happiness that comes with sharing. Okay, when we share our things with the other people, after that we become happy, huh? So it does so by giving the example of kids. In this poem, examples of kids are given who do not share or who share. Okay, so if we come across children who do not prefer sharing their things with anyone, we can say that they fail miserably at making true friends. Okay, and we can also say that they are nobody's friend, है ना? If there is one boy or one girl who do not prefer sharing their things with any other one or any other person, then we can say that they are nobody's friend. ना, वो किसी के दोस्त नहीं होंगे. Such children, we can say that such children cannot establish long-lasting friendship or relationship with anyone. Okay, so we can also say that if we look at the children who love to share their things, okay, if we come across children who love to share their things with the other people who needs और अपनी happiness के लिए ही वो उनसे share करते हैं, they are the ones, we can say that they are the ones who can establish a friendship or a good friendship with other people. Okay, they do not hesitate in sharing their things and help others in need. Okay, so this poem, Nobody's Friends, tells us that sharing gets a lot of friend in the person who shares their things, they get a lot of friends in their lives. Okay, so after reading this poem, you came to know that one should always share their things and makes them happy. Okay, so now please open page number 130. Page number 130 निकाल लीजिए सब. Okay, so before this poem, in one bubble or in one cloud, the poet is asking some questions to you. Okay, like, do you like making friends? The poet is asking to us, or we can say to you, that do you like making friends? क्या आपको दोस्त बनाना पसंद है? Do you like to share your things with other? क्या आपको अपनी चीजें किसी और से शेयर करना पसंद है? Do you think there is any child who has no friends? Okay, so poet is asking to us that do you think there is any child? क्या कोई ऐसा बच्चा है who has no friends, जिसके कोई दोस्त ना हो, नहीं है. Okay. Now come here. We will start from here. She had some यहाँ से अभी poem start हो रही है. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. Okay, so in this stanza, the poet is telling us about a girl who wouldn't share the sweets or the book with anyone, or we can say the doll also. Okay, so in this stanza, there is one girl. The poet is telling us about a girl who would not share sweets, or who wouldn't like to lend a book or share a doll with any other person. Okay, or in the end we can say that she is nobody's friend. क्यों? अगर आपका कोई दोस्त होगा तो आप जरूर ही उससे शेयर करेंगे, है ना? तो अगर वो किसी से शेयर नहीं कर रही है, at that time we can say that she is nobody's friend. वो किसी की दोस्त नहीं है. Okay, once again I am reading. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. Now come to second stanza on page number 131. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. Okay, so in this stanza the poet is telling us about a boy. You can see the picture also here about a boy that he had some toffees and ate every bit. वो उसके पास कुछ टॉफीज हैं और वो उसको खा लेता है. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend, and he also has a tricycle. You can see the picture also. Tricycle है, he wouldn't lend. वो इसको किसी को देना नहीं चाहता है. He never let anyone play with his train. He also has one train जिसको वो किसी के साथ खेलना नहीं चाहता है. He is nobody's friend. और for this boy also we can say that he is nobody's friend. वो किसी का दोस्त नहीं है. Okay. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. Okay. In the last stanza on page number 131 itself, in this stanza you can see that, but I will share all my sweets with you. So in this stanza, for whom we are talking? The poet. Okay, poet कौन है? Enid Blyton. Okay, so poet क्या बोल रहे हैं कि but I will share all my sweets with you. लेकिन मैं आपके साथ सारी sweets share करूंगी. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. मैं आपको दूंगी क्या चीजें? My ball, मेरी ball, book and my games I will lend. मैं आपको दूंगी. Here's half my apple and half my cake. और देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है? Half my apple and half my cake. Half क्यों क्या symbolize कर रहा है यहाँ पे? It means she is sharing the apple and the cake. Half apple and half cake with us or with you. Okay, so in the first and second stanza, the poet is telling about a girl and a boy who do not want to share their things with anyone, or for them we can say that they are nobody's friend. वो किसी के दोस्त नहीं हैं. But in the last stanza the poet is telling us that I will share all my sweets with you. मैं आपके साथ अपनी sweets share करूंगी. And I will also lend you my ball, my book or my games. And in the last line she is saying that कि see here's half my apple and half my cake. और यहाँ पर मेरे देखिए half my apple and half my cake. Okay, and last line I am your friend. क्या बोल रहे हैं कि मैं तुम्हारी दोस्त हूँ. Okay, once again I am reading this poem. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. Okay? जो अपोस्ट्रोफी के साथ यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, अपोस्ट्रोफी कॉमा के साथ ज्वाइन करके कुछ वर्ड्स को दिया है. We will discuss these words just right after this. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. But I will share all my sweets with you. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. Okay, so this is the poem. Let us revise again. The poem Nobody's Friends is written by Enid Blyton. Okay, the first girl, जो first stanza में the poet is discussing about this girl, the first girl, this, she had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. Okay, so आपको अभी दिख रहा होगा what is the meaning of lend? L-E-N-D, lend. What is the meaning of lend? Give to others for use. When we give something to other people, to other person for use, हम उसको use करने के लिए दे देते हैं for some time. Okay, हमेशा के लिए नहीं, उसके लिए हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं lend, L-E-N-D. For that we use the word L-E-N-D. Okay, when we are giving something to the other person for some time for use. Okay, so at that time we can use the word lend. Okay, suppose I have given blue pen to you for writing something. Okay, so I will lend you this pen to you. Okay, next, she wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. है ना, वो अपनी डॉल किसी को नहीं देती थी. She is nobody's friend. वो किसी की दोस्त नहीं है. ओके, तो अभी आपको यहाँ पर एक इस फर्स्ट स्टैंजा में आपको ये वर्ड मिले हैं वुडंट, जिसको मैं क्या प्रोनाउंस कर रही हूँ वुडेंट शॉर्ट फॉर्म में, जैसे डिडंट होता है डोंट. सिमिलरली दिस वर्ड वुड प्लस नॉट, जो वुड नॉट को हम शॉर्ट में क्या लिखते हैं वुडंट, WOULDN apostrophe comma T. Okay, some more examples are here. Haven't and hasn't. Okay, haven't का full form होगा have not and hasn't has not. Okay, so I think now you have understood this word. She wouldn't share. Okay, and wouldn't lend. Meaning of lend is when we give something for use. ठीक है, and wouldn't is would प्लस नॉट और वुड नॉट, उसको हम शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं वुडंट. ओके, सो यहां पर एक लड़की है जिसके पास कुछ स्वीट्स हैं, बुक है और एक डॉल है जिसको वो किसी के साथ शेयर करना नहीं चाहती है. ठीक है, और वो नहीं शेयर करती है, दैट्स व्हाई शी इज नोबडीज फ्रेंड. ओके, नाउ इन द सेकेंड स्टैंजा द पोएट इज टेलिंग अस अबाउट अ बॉय. दिस बॉय, he had some toffee and ate every bit. है ना, उसके पास टॉफी है और वो उसका हर टुकड़ा खा लेता है, वो किसी से शेयर नहीं करता है. he had a tricycle, he wouldn't lend. उसके पास एक ट्राईसाइकिल भी है लेकिन वो किसी को उसको देता नहीं है. he never let anyone play with his train. उसके पास एक ट्रेन भी है जिसको वो किसी से के साथ नहीं खेलता है. he never let anyone, वो किसी को खेलने नहीं देता है अपने साथ उस ट्रेन के साथ. ठीक है, he is nobody's friend. और for this boy also we can say that he is nobody's friend. Okay, so here again this word his. ठीक है, तो इसका फुल फॉर्म क्या होगा he is, and nobody's nobody, यहां पर ये जो है nobody's किसी का, ये बिलोंगिंगनेस के लिए यूज हुआ है नोबडीज. इसको आप नोबडी और इज नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, यहां पे जैसे यूअर्स होता है तुम्हारा. he is nobody's friend. Now in the third stanza, this stanza talks about another girl, this girl who is poet also. But I will share all of my sweets with you. I will share all my sweets, जो भी मेरे पास sweets हैं मैं उसको तुम्हारे साथ share करूंगी. My ball and my book and my games I will lend. मैं मेरे बॉल, बुक और गेम्स जो हैं मैं उसको तुम्हें दूंगी. Here's half my apple and half my cake. और देखो यहाँ पर आधा केक और आधा जो एप्पल है वो तुम्हारे लिए है. I am your friend, मैं तुम्हारी फ्रेंड हूं. ओके, सो इन दिस स्टैंजा आप देखेंगे कुछ सिंगुलर और प्लूरल वर्ड्स भी आए हैं, जैसे हाफ. हाफ होता है आधा हिस्सा. ओके, उसका प्लूरल क्या होगा हाफ्स. जब हाफ हाफ चीजें अलग अलग चीजें हैं, बहुत ज्यादा हैं वो, ठीक है। अगर मान लो एक, अगर हाफ केक है तो वी कैन से हाफ केक, बट हाफ केक, हाफ एप्पल। जब हाफ हाफ चीजें होंगी तब हम उसके लिए प्लूरल वर्ड यूज करते हैं, हाफ्स। जैसे लीफ, लीव्स, एंड नाइफ, नाइव्स। दीज वर्ड्स आर वेरी सिंपल, आपने ये पहले भी देखे होंगे। ओके, सो in this poem you can also find some rhyming words also, like she had some sweets that she wouldn't share, she had a book that she wouldn't lend, she wouldn't let anyone play with her doll, she is nobody's friend. Okay, so आप देखेंगे lend, L-E-N-D, lend, and friend, these two are rhyming words, है ना, because they are ending with the same sound, lend, friend. Okay, so rhyming words क्या होते हैं? Those words which are ending with the same sound, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Rhyming words. Okay, we can also add more rhyming words to lend, like friend, bend, send, mend. Okay, lend, friend, bend, send, and mend. Okay, these are the rhyming words. ओके, आप इसको प्रोनाउंस करके देखिए, दीज वर्ड्स हैव सेम एंडिंग साउंड्स. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग हम यहां पर देख सकते हैं, जो वर्ड बिल्डिंग में वन हु हैज नो फ्रेंड इज कॉल्ड फ्रेंडलेस, है ना. लेस मतलब कम, है ना. लेस मतलब वैसे तो कम होता है, बट व्हेन वी ऐड दिस लेस टू द वर्ड्स, इट द मीनिंग बिकम्स कि नहीं है. जैसे फ्रेंडलेस, जिसका दोस्त नहीं होते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रेंडलेस. जैसे और है होमलेस, दोज हु डू नॉट हैव होम, जिनके घर नहीं है, तो हम उनको क्या बोलेंगे? होमलेस. ओके, सो वन हु हैज नो फ्रेंड इज कॉल्ड फ्रेंडलेस. जैसे फ्रेंड प्लस लेस इज फ्रेंडलेस. नेक्स्ट, वन हु हैज नो होम इज कॉल्ड होमलेस. जिसका घर नहीं है उसके लिए होमलेस. नेक्स्ट, केयर प्लस लेस इज केयरलेस. हार्म, HARM, हार्म प्लस लेस इज हार्मलेस. यूज प्लस लेस इज यूजलेस. ओके, केयर प्लस लेस केयरलेस, harm plus less harmless, use plus less useless. Okay, so these are some examples of word building when we build or when we form a word by joining the two words. उनको हम word building बोलते हैं कि दो words को हम join करके एक word बना रहे हैं. Okay, you can write some more words also which are ending with the less, और या हम उसमें लेस को ऐड करके बहुत सारे और वर्ड्स भी बना सकते हैं, बट दीज आर सम एग्जांपल्स हियर. ओके, सो दिस इज फॉर टुडेज क्लास, एंड प्लीज रीड दिस पोएम अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड प्लीज ऑल्सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वट एवर आई हैव शोन यू इन बिटवीन दिस वीडियो. जैसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म जो मैंने आपको दिया, सम न्यू वर्ड्स, वी हैव डिस्कस सम न्यू वर्ड्स ऑल्सो, short form also, singular and plural word also, and some rhyming words also. Okay, so आपको ये वीडियो देखकर इन सब चीजों को समझने की कोशिश करनी है. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू प्लीज लेट मी नो, एंड प्लीज ट्राई टू आस्क me in the next class so that I can reply back. Okay, so that's all for today's class. We will meet in the next class with new questions and some book work of this poem. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Bye bye and take care.